Fluffy.
I want you to live. I want that more than anything in this world. I want you to fight like hell to stay with us. With everybody else gone, I know it might not be with you. It might be too hard for you to keep fighting. If you want to go, I want you to know it's